Yo. Damn. Why were they in such a dry place? Damn! Oh my god! Okay. That was peak. Anyways, hey guys. Starbird's demo released. If you guys don't know what this game is, if you guys know Kurzgesagt, well, yeah, this is the game. Kurzgesagt and Tukana Interactive, or whatever they're called, they worked together to make this game, and they just released a demo for it. So, right now I'm going to record it because, well, I mean, come on. I'm pretty sure, judging by the gameplay, I will love this game. It will be so cool to me. So, I'm recording it right now. Just to spread the information. Rush House? This game is so Portuguese. Ooh, shiny. Okay, this is actually cool as hell. Gather round, flock. I have a few words to say, for now begins our great mission. There should be some good squawking. Today we embark on a journey for the good of all bird kind. In the past, we locked wings and reached for the first mango, but today we reach for the stars. Mangoes do not power starships. We need rare earth fruits, iron, silicon, fruits that power dreams. That's a mighty fine speech in all cap, but what's our actual mission here and now? Right, Roof. Actually, we need to make a quick stop to fill up on supplies before we can continue. At ease, everyone. Let's get to work. Good hustle. For some reason, Sublina section. We're here, flock. These asteroids look promising. Initiate landing. Does this work again? Not the red button! Maybe his cryo egg got cooked on the way out here. I'm fine, Stella. Just walk me through the controls. I'm not familiar with this model. For some reason, my PC is already using the fan, even though this doesn't really look like it costs much in terms of power. Doesn't seem... Oh, jeez. Let me just check something. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to do something to the CPU and memory. Right now, the Starburst is all doing just the memory. I think it's because of like all of the 3D models and like the really high FPS, so that's probably why. I'm not sure if it's low FPS for you guys because I can't check myself. But if it is, sorry. I can't really do anything about that. Just pay attention to the instructions, Cap, and you won't put a claw wrong. Probably. Listen up, Flock. According to my notes, we should start with this quest. The captain requests iron. Click on an asteroid to see if it has iron, and double-click to enter it. Take a closer look. Zoom in and out with your mouse wheel. I can't do that. My mouse wheel is broken. I can't do that very easily. Okay. Energy efficient. No, not energy, space efficient. Click and drag. Okay. How many credits do I have? This one. Okay. How do I do this? Yeah. Hell yeah! Tech points. Water! Hey, look at all the titanium and water around here waiting for us. What do you mean we're out of credits? That's no problem. These shiny nuggets are just what we need to get some extra credits. Yolk just needs to collect them. This one. Ensign Yolk, reporting for the duty, sir. Captain, sir. Well, this is no simulation, Ensign. You must use the utmost caution. Am I understood? Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir, Captain, sir. I like your spirit, Ensign Yolk, But you don't need to call me sir. Just Captain will do nicely. Jagged path from the rover. Okay. Ner, ner, ner. I want to see this whole path. Portuguese. Let's go collecting. Where is the water? Okay, I need nuggets. Water. Alright. Researchable refiner. Yo, Kirk! Drag it from the building onto the asteroid. Okay. Get this out of here. How many? Okay. Ner, ner, ner. Excellent work, Flock. With all these materials stocked up and our machines fixed up, it should be a smooth journey to our next destination. I recalibrated our devices and improved the precision of our trajectory calculation by 20.2853%. That's if my math is correct, and I do believe it is. First, space exploration isn't about math. You've got to expect the unexpected. Trust your guts. Tell me, Rust, is your gut familiar with Bristol's laws of planetary motion? Or maybe I didn't need to stay up all night doing the calculations that stop us from being smashed apart by asteroids. I'm sure Rust was joking. But all that math to work, then flock to the stars. You're okay. High score. Okay. Nice. How do I get more stars? Sector 2, a strange discovery. Strange readings. Statistical anomaly, extreme mass. Closer to investigate. Matter of debris. Rocks. Ooh. Is that uranium? There's more? Okay, I need water. Alright. Water. Oh, okay. You're okay. To excavate street. Okay. Where is it? Oh yeah, right there. Uh-oh. Recall. And then put it right there. Golds and oxygen. Okay. Accept. Modules. Damn. Okay. I'm going to need this. This game is so Portuguese. This whole thing is not necessary. Okay. I need a nugget. maybe it's... Is it? Yeah, it's making stuff. Wait. Oh, I need to transport that. My brain is confuser. Uh-oh. Yeah! Water. Where's the water? Right there. Go around. Yeah.
我操，这才算可以吗？
Uranium.
你要求太高了，好不好？
Okay.
3431的运动啊。
I can get rid of this. I love this game. We just need more water. Yeah, right there. Oh god. Yeah. Yeah. Supply quest. Now we just wait. Oxidation. Okay. This one has uranium. Deploy the rover. And now we're going. Ooh. This is so cool. I need more credits. Chemical lab? Silicon plus water equals quartz. Okay. I am researching it. Anyways, I need to attach the goals. Yeah, this line. Where's it? Come on, just do it. Yeah. Module quest. Oh well. Okay. I need to discover this. Uh-oh. I don't have enough for that. Mine. He's sleeping. Supply, give me this while I'm here. Craftable, naturally occurring. Okay, whatever. Okay. Let me just... Can I grab? Can I? Oh. That's for the research. Okay. Then we get this. And then where is it? This. And like that. And then like this. And there we go. Where's the... Oh. Wiki... Okay. I need to craft. Quartz Silicon Station. Okay, I need to adjust the routes.
哪里有一些细的啥？
Now I need to give this a station. But I don't have the funds. There we go. Now I just need landing. Wait, no. Yeah, that is. So then I get I forgot I didn't need this. My brain forgot that you don't need another landing pad. There we go. I should probably set up like a different. Wait, what other silicon are there? Not much else. That's not good. Anyways, go to the Portuguese. Sorry if I'm not saying much. I just don't have much words to say for this peak gameplay. Okay, where is that? Okay, then get this out, move here. And then I need water, right? Yeah, okay. Now I need to get the water. Which, yeah, so I need to get this to go somewhere else. And send it here. Actually, wait, I could. This is fine. Uh-oh. So this was not necessary. I did it! Flying? Yo, what's inside? Whoa, 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 whoa! Aliens? What? Over there? Sablina. A little detour.
觉得嘛，其实吧，对呀，就是50几万的房子，肯定
Alright.
至少要到那个什么那个房子。
So sorry. If you hear my mom, she's talking. Anyways, that's it for now. So, bye guys. This was really cool.